Want to know how to make this Chrome logo for your brand for free in under 5 minutes? So first, we're going to make sure you have your logo in a program where you can export it as an SVG. I'm using Illustrator, for example. Then, once you've done this, head over to export as SVG. We're going to go to CoreBlanks.com, which has a range of things for clothing brands, including spinning tees, hoodies, and tracksuits. Instead, we're going to scroll down and we're going to click on the free Chrome logo template. This has everything we need, including the keyframes for the spin and the lighting already set up for us. We're now going to unzip what we've just downloaded and open up the Blender file. If you look at the top right of the screen, you can see 4 circles. The furthest right one is the rendered view. Click on that now. You can now see the entire environment and lighting system that's set up for you. Now, head over to File and import the SVG file that you just exported from whatever program you were using. Once that's imported, you'll see a bunch of curves on the right hand of your screen. Select all of them, right-click in the viewport, and click Join. You can also do this easier by pressing Ctrl-J. You're now going to want to go to the bottom right of your screen, where you'll click the green curves icon and set your extrude to 0.2. Then, right-click your object in the viewport, set origin, and set origin to geometry. You're now going to want to move your object to where the Nike logo currently is, using G to move, R to rotate, and the mouse wheel to look around. Once you've got it to somewhere around the location, press X to delete the Nike logo. Now, click the camera icon to set the viewport, and move the logo to the place you want, using G and X to move horizontally, G and Z to move vertically, and S to scale. Select the spin knoll and your logo, but not before you set the cursor to frame 0. Then, hit Parent and parent the objects. Select your logo again, and go to the material editor, which is the little red circle. Delete the SVG material, and select the preset Chrome one. And bang, check it out, your logo is almost ready. Scrub through the timeline to make sure everything's working correctly. Go back to the curve editor and add a bit of bevel. This makes the logo look less harsh. If you want to change the environment it's reflecting, Google HDRI Haven and click on polyhaven.com. Choose a backdrop and download. Make sure it's HDR and the highest quality. Go to the shader editor on the top and make sure the world is selected. Click on the environment texture and select the HDRI file you just downloaded. Go back to the layout mode and we have a couple settings to double check. Go into preferences and check that your graphics card is selected in the input section. You can double check this on the other side that Cycles is being used. Now, click on the bottom right and choose the output location that you want to render this video to. Then, go up to the top left and hit Render Animation. You'll now have to wait a few hours, but after that, it'll be done.